The CData Power BI connector for Twilio provides real-time access to your Twilio data from Power BI Desktop. In this video, we demonstrate connecting to a Twilio instance from the CData Power BI connector and building a simple visualization from Twilio data. To begin, navigate to the CData Twilio drivers page and select Power BI. Download the Power BI connector for Twilio and follow the installation instructions. Next, configure the DSN using Twilio connection properties. You can find the account SID and auth token details by logging onto your Twilio instance. Once we set the connection properties, click Test Connection to ensure we have configured the connection properly. Now that we've established the connection, we can visualize our Twilio data in Power BI. In Power BI Desktop, click Get Data, then More. Search for Twilio and select the CData Twilio connector. Enter the data source name and choose whether to import the data or use the direct query functionality. Click Connect in the anonymous authentication window. Once connected, you explore the available schemas or services in the navigator. Select the tables and/or views to visualize and click Load. Since we are using the direct query method, we are only loading the metadata from Twilio. Once the metadata loads, we can select the fields to visualize. In this video, we create a simple pie chart showing the amount of usage in each category based on the usage records data. And that's everything you need to know to establish live connectivity between your Workday data and Power BI. To get started with the CData Power BI connector for Twilio, visit cdata.com/drivers/Twilio and download a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.